Yeah.
What about cleaning products? Are there any particular cleaning products that work better than others?
I've tried a lot. And, for example, if you've got tiled floors, especially the matte finished tiled floors, there was a few displays that, I mean, this was going back a few years ago now, but they just never looked clean. But what was happening, they were getting a build-up of chemical.
Oh, okay.
And so it took me a while to work that one out, but then when I worked it out, I stopped really using chemicals, and I just take a kettle with me, and I boil a kettle like every, say, second display. And the tiled floor, actually most of the tiles I put in a little bit of metho, and I find that the best.
Yeah.
And because the hot water, it just cuts through
any grease or any
grease
grime.
And that. So, yeah, that for me is probably the best for the floors. Don't put too much metho. You just need like a capful.
Okay. So hot water and a capful of metho.
Yeah. Wring your mop out really well.
Yeah.
And, so that's my floor method. And then with the benches and that, fingerprints are really hard because there's a lot of oil on your fingers, and I was using like spray and wipe and that, and a lot of the fingerprints weren't coming off. I have changed what I do now because of COVID, because when COVID came out, I was following the government cleaning guidelines, and to be honest, I actually still do that. And what that is just water with some bleach, but you don't need much bleach.
Okay.
So I've got like a squirty bottle, and I just put a small amount of bleach in, and it just gets rid of any germs. For the really stubborn, if you get like you might have a little kid that might have tried to climb a wall and leave some footprints on the wall, which that actually does happen quite a bit.
I can imagine.
Yeah, I get just a little bit of Jif on a wet cloth, and that is the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That gets it off.
Yeah.